Welcome to the Anna Darpan Movement Module Demo. In this video, we will walk through the movement planning workflow for a deficit region. The flow covers the creation and approval of the IO statement across divisional, regional, zonal, and headquarters levels. The Divisional Movement Manager logs in and navigates to the Create IO Statement page under Movement Planning. Here, the user fills in all the required details, such as the planned commodity, effective storage capacity, total storage capacity, and the capacity utilization percentage. The user then enters the planned information for the current month along with the planning details for the subsequent month. After ensuring all fields are correctly filled, the Movement Manager clicks the Submit button to create the IO statement. You can navigate to the IO statement details page to review and verify the IO statement entries that were created. The user confirms that the IO statement has been correctly recorded and is now available for approval. The Divisional Manager logs and opens the IO statement details page. The manager selects the IO statement requiring approval and clicks on the Approve icon. A Remarks field is displayed, where the manager enters appropriate comments before confirming the approval. IO statement creation approval at regional level. The AGM movement at the regional office logs in and opens the Create IO statement page under Movement Planning. The user enters all the necessary planning information for the region or modifies the details provided by the division as required. After reviewing the information, the AGM submits the IO statement for further approval. The GM region logs into the system, navigates to the IO statement details page. The user selects the IO statement from the list and clicks the Approve option. The GM enters remarks in the provided field and completes the approval process. IO statement approval at zonal level. The Zonal Manager logs in and accesses the IO statement details page. The user selects the IO statement forwarded from the region, reviews the planning details, enters remarks, and approves the IO statement for zonal validation. IO statement approval at headquarters level. The HQ user logs into Movement Planning and navigates to the IO statement details page. The user selects the IO statement awaiting final approval and clicks the Approve IO statement button to complete the process at the headquarters level. Marking deficit region at headquarters. The HQ user logs in and navigates to the Mark Deficit Regions page. The user selects the required commodity and variety, then marks the specific region as a deficit region by clicking on the checkbox provided. The HQ user enters the deficit quantity and submits the form to officially mark the region as deficit for planning purposes. The regional movement staff logs in and opens the Create Dispatch instruction page. The user selects the commodity and variety and specifies the quantity planned by the headquarters. Under Rail Movement Planning, the user clicks Add Record, selects the railhead type, and fills in all required details including division, rail station, depot, number of rakes, and quantity in quintals. Next, under Road Movement Planning, the user clicks Add Record again, selects the required division and depot, enters the planned quantity, and submits the dispatch instruction. The HQ user logs in and navigates to the dispatch approval instruction list. The user enters the movement type, commodity, variety, and region to filter the corresponding dispatch instruction. After locating the correct division, the HQ user clicks the Approve button and confirms the approval in the pop-up to complete the dispatch instruction approval process. This completes the end-to-end movement planning workflow for a deficit region. Thank you.